Welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your birth date on Pinterest. Whether you entered the wrong date during registration or want to update your information, this step-by-step guide will help you make changes easily. Follow my simple steps, and you will quickly refresh your profile with the correct information. Let's get started. Open the Pinterest app. Then, tap your profile icon located in the bottom right corner. After that, tap your profile icon again in the top left corner of the screen. Once you have done that, select the Account Management option. In the Your Account section, tap on Personal Information. When you get to this part, tap on the Birthdate option and then tap on the current date. Now, simply select the new date. Once you finish, tap OK, then tap the Update option, and that's it. You have now successfully changed your birth date. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.